Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Ajgaonkar and I'm here to introduce you all to my book, which is designed to deal with your queries on money laundering. This book is edited by Justice R.V. Ishwar, former judge, Delhi High Court and senior advocate, and is published by Taxmann. My research team and I have worked on this book for more than a year, and we have successfully managed to condense the more pertinent aspects of this act into a simple format of 200 questions and their answers. Yes, 200 questions and their answers sound like a lot, but for a legislation as complicated as the PMLA, they form just the tip of the proverbial iceberg. The book deals with a variety of subtopics such as investigation, attachment, confiscation, along with prosecution and analysis of the relevant case laws. We hope that this book helps you understand the nuances of PMLA through our chapter wise division of concepts like proceeds of crime, arrest, onus of proof, the PMLA tribunal, and the twin conditions for bail. We learned a lot writing this book, and we do hope that it proves useful to you.